Hey, what is up guys, this is Neil Ladores and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to unbox the new Apple Watch SE, second generation. So there are three colors: midnight, starlight, and silver. So this one is the silver and the midnight. So let's try to unbox this, guys. In front of the box there's the Apple Watch logo, and there's nothing on the side, nothing on the left or the right. On the bottom you can see the summary, parts included, and this one retails for around 19,990 in the Philippines. This one is the 44mm and the other one is 40mm. Okay, so the 40mm actually sells lower than the 44. It sells for about 17,990. Okay, so this one is more cheaper. The bigger the watch size, the more expensive it will be. Let's flip the tab open. Alright. Ooh. So once you open it, guys, you are greeted with this, the watch interface. Ooh, all different colors available. The watch bands and the watch faces actually. So yeah, very fun. Very fun. So far so good. You know, ang gusto ko lang talaga sa pag-unbox ng Apple products is they always give you the premium quality, the high quality kind of unbox. If you're planning to buy an Apple Watch, you can watch it here. Okay, so this one is the inside the box. There are two more boxes. There are two more boxes, one for the watch strap and the Apple Watch. So as you can see, I got the midnight. This one is the watch strap. Let's start with the watch. Meron siyang parang tape, guys. Let's try to remove this one. Okay. Then open natin siya. You need to apply some pressure, or does it go down slowly? Oh, it goes down slowly. So there's kind of vacuum seal. Ayan. So once you've opened it, you're greeted with the Apple Watch and some paperworks, I think. Does this have any plastic? The satisfying click. Ayan. So unlike, I don't know if the previous watches have the parang film, thin film doon sa kapag binuksan mo sila, di ba? So iba kasi may film, like yung phones, di ba? Meron parang screen protector that you don't usually use. It's only to protect. So I think this is the sensors. We have the watch dial and also a power button. I think this one is a mic. Then on the other side you have speakers. Then obviously you have the grills for the watch band. Paperworks. Does this come with stickers? Apple Watch paperwork. How to charge in Chinese rather. And I think this is also the same, but in English. Okay, so that's it for the paperwork. Nothing much going on. No Apple stickers. No Apple logo. And you also have the wireless charging. Oh, nice. The magnetic wireless charging. Okay. Okay. You pop this one. I think this one is magnetic. Oh yeah, it's magnetic. Okay, so magnets smoothly onto your device. I'm not sure if this one would damage the sensors, because you know it's magnetic or what. You know, Apple, for sure, they probably would have thought about it, but they're supposed to. And now for the watch band, sport band. So this one shows the color of the one that's inside. This one is black. If you're going to buy at the website, obviously you can customize your straps, and you can even add an engraving from what I've heard. So this one, you're definitely going to have to pair this one. It doesn't produce any sound though. At least I expected it to would. Okay. Alright. So once you open the box, second box that contains the Apple strap, the watch band, you're greeted with how to insert. Oh, dalawa guys! You have an extra. Is this an extra? Yeah, definitely an extra. Bango niya guys. So you have an additional strap if you are small or medium size. If your wrist is small or medium, you have another strap. How do you do this? Oh, meron siyang ano. You have a tab. Okay. Oh. That wasn't satisfying as I thought. Okay. So it's like rubber slipping off your fingers, off your wrist. But obviously they have stuck to the same design from the last time I've known them, since they started selling this Apple Watch. So ang kapal niya guys, it's not, hindi siya ganun yung parang manipis lang ng rubber. The rubber's actually, you know, it feels durable. Okay, so you won't be afraid or worried that this might not withstand the normal wear and tear of the watch. But obviously it looks premium, and you can buy different straps naman. I think the long one goes under, right? It's supposed to go under. So let's check. You slide. I think this is slide lang pa. Okay, so it slides lang. Then once you slide it, it's fitted in place. Other one. Okay. So testing natin siya guys. How to turn it on. How do you turn this on? Do you press? Nothing's happening. Or this one. This one. So this one is the power button. The iPhone and the Apple Watch. I have the iPhone 10. Quick note, you have to update your firmware, or the software rather. You have to update the software to iOS 16 before you're able to pair it with this device. So pair natin siya. Kinundas ka? Oh, so once you've opened your Bluetooth, it already appears in your phone that you're trying to pair your iPhone with an Apple Watch. So let's press continue. Then it brings you to the Apple Watch app set up for myself. Then you have to scan. Okay. And your Apple Watch is paired. That easy. So you can change your preference kung ano yung wrist, kung saan mo nilalagay yung wrist mo, in the left or right. So I prefer mine to the left. Then click continue. Oh, nice. Connecting to your Apple Watch. This may take a moment. So first impressions, Honestly, there's nothing to not like. There's nothing to be, everything about the Apple Watch is good. It's elegant. And while waiting, actually guys, ang ganda ng ano niya. You have this face. Can you see that? You have this face Apple Watch mo. Enter passcode. Okay, sige. What's the long passcode? Ooh, pwede kang 4 digits or more. Okay, so create a long passcode. Oh, so you will be redirected. Oh, meron siyang haptic feedback. So you can choose. Actually, you can adjust the settings dito sa iPhone mo. So you definitely need to have an iPhone. Or I don't know if you can also have this kapag Android user ka. Who else will buy this but Apple users? So you can adjust the text. For me, I think this one is okay. Pag mas malaki din siya guys. Yung text. There's a slider. So okay na ako sa akin dito. Maliit. I'm good with that. Assistive touch. Ooh, nice. Pwede pala. Okay. Then share settings. Okay. So basically, the data from your phone is already transferred to the watch. So that's a good thing. It makes setting up easier, but it's actually taking longer than I expected. So set up activity. You can set up your activity. I think this one is good. Moderate. I needed to burn 670 calories per day. Okay. Okay. Hopefully this would encourage me to work out or at least move. Your Apple Watch is also a GPS. So this one is also the Apple SE also has a GPS. So yeah, enable tracking. Then you can receive notifications if you're in an area with a high noise. Yan. If you have a low heart rate, this would also give notification to you. Or if you have a high height, or if you have a high heart rate. So high heart rate. Okay. So safety. Ooh, you can call emergency contacts. This one also detects fall detection if you're suddenly biglang nadapa, or if natisod ka or what, or if you fall down from a building. Hopefully that doesn't happen. So it also detects crash. If you are in a car accident, it also detects it. Then ooh, this one is fun. You also have backtrack, or you can rewind your steps in case you get lost. So this one is very useful if you're a hiker or if you like to travel a lot, go to adventures. So yeah, this one's included feature, so nice. It's the little features that makes it great, guys. So this watch is a watch for everyone. So app view, you can use it in list or grid. So I prefer the grid type. This one is the most iconic. So it's syncing. Ooh, nice. The logo or the UI in the Apple Watch is also the same with the UI in your iPhone. So while this one is syncing, let us open the second one, the white. So the white is in 40 mm. So this one is smaller, and it's also in color white. So I'm not sure if it's white or silver. Again, you're greeted with two boxes. The watch case, rather, is white, and the strap is also white. I don't think there's much difference. Yeah, possibly there's not much difference if you pick the bigger one or the smaller size diameter of the Apple Watch. But for me personally, I think much better if guys wear a bigger watch face, you know. It makes you more, I don't know, it's the normal thing, guys. So I think the 40, this one is leaning towards the females. You know, they have a smaller wrist, so this one's silver. Yeah, there's not much difference though. Paperworks, charger, and the strap. Actually, it would be more surprising if the band declared is white, but you get purple. You know, so same thing. You have a band for smaller size and medium size wrist. You also have medium or large size wrists. So let's take this one out. Yeah, as you can see, look, it looks small on the wrist. It doesn't feel right. So here are them side by side. Oh, umilaw siya. It's actually turning green kanina. In diameter, of course, the 44 is bigger. The strap, you take the same. I think the strap are slightly, very slightly bigger on the 44. It's still sinking, guys, so I'll probably wait up until this one finishes sinking. What are my thoughts? It's a good watch, you know. It has a lot of features and most of them are kind of gimmick. Most of them are actually useful then as well. Should you buy one? If you're on the lookout, if you're on the market for an Apple Watch and you wanted to buy this thing, I say go for it. If you're on a budget, there are a lot of cheaper options out there. Fitbit is cheaper and it delivers almost all of the features of the Apple Watch. I don't know if it also includes GPS, but the basic functions of the Apple Watch, heart rate monitor, the steps, the gyroscope, and etc., they are all included in the Fitbit, so you might as well get that one if you're on a budget. I'll be giving this white one to my mom since I can't wear both Apple Watches at the same time, so I'll be giving this to my mom. I hope she likes it. I'll be playing around with this for a while. Then I'll be doing a review. I'll be using this as my daily driver. Actually, I have a watch. It's a dress watch and I sent it to the shop and until now hindi pa rin siya, you know, it's still not repaired. So I'll be doing a review, a separate video of the review of this one, and I hope you guys watch it when the video goes up. That's it for me today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit the thumbs up if you like, smash that like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and I will be posting a review about this watch, so stay tuned for that. I'll see you guys in the next video.